In this video, we're going to show you how to install the fender liner on your Volvo XC90 located behind your front wheels. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to loosen and remove our lug nuts. And if you have a locking key, go ahead and use that. Let's go ahead and remove your wheel. Remove it and set it aside. With the wheel removed, we have 11 rivets we need to drill out, and these go around the top right around to the front. We're going to use our drill bit here to drill up the centers. We're going to use our 10mm socket to go ahead, loosen, and remove the 3 inboard nuts holding this. With these removed, we're going to start to pull out our fender liner. I'm going to go ahead and grab our fender liner and pull that out. Go ahead and remove that and set it aside. Let's go ahead and feed this in. Line up our rear stud here. And what we may have to do is work our fender liner up in behind the lip first. Now that we have the fender liner tucked in around the lip of the fender, we can now come to the inboard portion and line up our liner with the studs. Now that we have the back of the fender liner set up around the front side, if you try and push this on, the stud won't line up. You need to come over and just pull out the front section. Go ahead and push this up into place. There it is. Once you have that popped in, we can now push that liner into position. At this point, let's install the 3 anchoring nuts on the inside. Just going to get these started by hand first. Once we get them started, we'll go ahead and zip those in with our ratchet. And just gently snug those down. Okay, now that we have all 3 of the anchoring nuts installed, let's start to install the rivets on the outer perimeter. Now at this point here, I want to go ahead and grab our rivets. We're using 3/16 by 3/8. Go ahead and get that rivet in place. Now that we have a rivet installed here, we're going to continue this process all the way up and around, replacing the other 10. Now our original fender liner had 11 rivets holding it in place, as well as the 3 nuts. The replacement only has 10 and is missing 1 from the back section here, where 10 is plenty sufficient to hold this in place. Now at this point here, you want to repeat this process for the passenger side if you need to. Install your wheel and you're all set. Go ahead and grab your wheel. Get that lined up. I'm going to get one of these started here. Get the rest of these started. And once we get them all started, we'll come on back and snug them down. All right, let's go ahead and snug these down gently. All right, let's now go ahead and torque them down. Let's now go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 103 foot-pounds. When doing this here, it's best to do it in a crisscross or a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.